Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by enabling the input method and confirming system support. This is why shortcuts matter. They call the emoji panel instantly. On Windows, press Win+. On Mac OS, press Control plus Command plus Space. Once done, make sure your keyboard layout matches your language settings so emoji search works. You'll use the panel inside any app that accepts text. Follow these first steps now to avoid interruptions later when you're mid-sentence and need an emoji fast. You open the emoji panel and keep the cursor where you want to insert. That's the how. Type a keyword like smile or cake to filter results quickly because searching saves time versus scrolling. Use category tabs or recent lists to find frequently used emoji. Set skin tone modifiers when relevant to match context. Once you see the emoji, press enter or click it. The system pastes it at the caret. If you need multiple, repeat rapidly without closing the app. You finish by applying advanced tricks. If an app blocks the panel, copy emoji from a browser or character viewer and paste it. Update your OS or the app when the emoji panel stops responding, because compatibility issues are common with older software. If the shortcut conflicts, remap it in keyboard settings or restart the input service to reset behavior. One quick troubleshooting tip: if nothing opens, reboot or toggle keyboard language. That often restores the panel within seconds.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.